my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hit my voice, you hit that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I've got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than the lion. Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, yeah. But every song's like gold teeth, gray goose, tripping in the bathroom, blood stains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel rooms. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like bust down Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. She don't care. We ain't caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royals. It don't run in our blood. That kind of luck's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your ruler. You could call me Queen Jane, baby, I'll rule, yeah. Let me live that fantasy, yeah. Let me live that fantasy, yeah. Let me live that fantasy.